Hey guys, I'm Michael Sr. and we are in the garden section of the Claremont community. Today I'm going to show you lot 50 and the updates on the house. As you can see outside, we've added the shutters and painted. We've done our landscaping. We've got all of the exterior finishes on. Our lights are hung outside. Let's go inside and take a look. Some of the nice features we have inside this house are the light fixtures in the entryway here, and then nice chandelier style light in the office space. As you can see in the living room and kitchen area, we're getting finished up here. This house is ready to go on the market. Over here to my right, we have the nice fireplace with the solid wood beam used as a mantel above the fireplace. This is a gas fireplace. We have the subway tiles here. Makes a nice addition during the wintertime when you're sitting around with your family and enjoying some hot cocoa. In the kitchen here, we have all the appliances put in. The countertops are in. As you can see, the paint's finished up. Just a few touch-ups here and there, and we'll be ready to go. If you notice that these cabinets are flush inset, this vent hood, it's got these nice accents in it. All this was custom built at Stricklin Porter in our cabinet shop. If you need cabinets built, if you want to change something around, we can make that happen for you. Here we are in the master bedroom, lot 50 in the Claremont Garden Home Subdivision. Let's take a look at the master bathroom. This is a cozy master bathroom. When you walk in to your right, you have your bathtub with the tiled glass surround stand-up shower, toilet closet, and double vanity, double sink. In the master walk-in closet, you have plenty of shelves, plenty of places to put your shoes. A unique feature is if you need to adjust the water temperature on your water heater, you have that in your closet right here behind your shower. You just turn your water on in your shower. If you don't like it, you come in here and you adjust the heat on this digital meter. This is the hallway into the other two bedrooms. To my left, we have the guest bathroom. And to my right, you have your entrance from your garage. Nice mud bench right here with overhead storage, place to sit and take your shoes off, put your shoes on. Here's one of the bedrooms. You can see there's plenty of space in here. It has a closet with plenty of room in it. It's a 2-car garage, plenty of room to park both vehicles. If you're looking for extra storage, there's also space above your garage in the attic. If you're interested in this house, lot 50 in the garden section of Claremont community, you better check us out at StricklinPorter.com. It won't be long, this house will be sold.